According to the man Aristotle, we are what we repeatedly do. Truly, whatever we choose to do in our lives on a daily basis defines us. It goes a long way to define our success and future. Whoever you choose to consider as successful once developed for themselves habits that shape their future. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, all these people did not become successful by chance. They intentionally developed good daily habits and they became great. If you aim to be successful in your future, like Aliko Dangote, you have to repeatedly develop your habits. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 12 habits that we believe can change your life forever. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe in order to continue to receive more educative and informative videos like this. Number 1. Reading. One of the best habits I recommend for everyone, is the habit of reading. To be successful in life, in your business, in your career, you have to read outside your academics. I've not known any successful man who had never enjoyed reading books. It will shock you to know that the second richest man on earth, Bill Gates, reads about 50 books in a year. That means he reads almost one book in a week. That should tell you how important is it to read books in your life if you want to be successful. Knowing the importance of reading is the reason why these people also write books for others to read. Practice the habits of reading books and see how your life will change for the best. Please recommend in the comments below some books that you think might change others' lives. Habit number 2. Writing. Writing equips you with communication and thinking skills. Daily habits of writing allows you to become a good writer, helping you to communicate your message with clarity and ease. If you've got a goal to achieve, it will be important for you to write it down. As you repeatedly do this, you will get to develop your writing skills. Every successful man knows how important it is to have writing skills. As you set goals and plans for yourself to be successful, it will be necessary to write them down for future references and guidance towards your success. Any ambitious person should possess these skills. Number 3. Drink enough water to stay hydrated. Always. If you are an ambitious person like myself, getting enough water every day is very important for your health. Ensuring you take water regularly to stay hydrated all the time will go a long way to impact on your daily activities. To ensure you practice the habit of taking water regularly, always keep a water bottle near you to stay hydrated. Always remember this: water is life, they say, so ensure you take enough. Number 4. Avoid bad company. If you are someone who wants to be successful in life, you should by any means avoid bad companies. Any successful man you know has friends who empower them, encourage them, and inspire them to do great in their lives. Steve Jobs started Apple with his friend. Larry Page started Google with his friend. So did Bill Gates, who started Microsoft with his friend. If you want to be successful, you have to be selective in who becomes your friend because they have impact. Number 5 is gratitude. One of the highly recommended daily habits is being thankful for everything in your life. You should take this habit very seriously, as it can determine how successful you become in life. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and a billionaire, once said, and I quote, "Be thankful for what you have, you end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough." We should be grateful for our health, for our friends, for our families. We should be grateful for the steps we've taken, how far we've come. And as we do this on a daily basis, we will see more increases and improvements in our daily goals. Number 6. Have enough sleep. Sleeping is one of the surest way to re-energize your body. In order to have a good day ahead, you have to have a sound sleep the night before. Sleeping early will ensure you enjoy enough sleeping hours in order to wake up early for a greater day. If possible, practice the habit of taking a nap during the day to re-energize your body. 7. Laugh a lot. Laughing has been proven to be one of the best medicine available freely to all. Don't take things in life too personally. Choose to laugh even in the middle of uncertainties and bad days. After all, the uncertainties and the bad days are not permanent. Always know that there are better days ahead. 8. Take care of your morning. The best hours in a day are always in the early mornings. If you want to be successful, never sacrifice these hours for anything. And if you are an ambitious person like myself, you wouldn't want to start your day off by visiting your social media as soon as you jump out of bed. Doing this is prone to ruining your day even before it starts. Making a to-do list a habit of starting your morning is better. Better still, you can engage yourself in meditation or exercises. 9. Appreciate others. Cultivate the habit of genuinely appreciating others for their help in any ways. Never take anything or anyone for granted. A little appreciation shown towards others will positively impact their lives if you but knew. And as you cultivate the habit of genuinely appreciating others on a daily basis, it shall come back to you in many pleasant ways unexpectedly. Remember, what you give, you get. If you want more in life, give more. A recommended habit for all. 10. Fitness. A lot of people think that keeping fit is meant for the rich only. Well, it might be, because the rich knows how important it is to be strong always, to be able to always make money for a better life. But that is not it. Everybody needs to stay strong always to be able to run their daily activities for success. If going to the gym is what scares you, I'm here to tell you that you don't need to visit the gym to keep fit. At home, you can keep fit at no cost. You can as well join local groups, clubs to keep fit at no extra cost. You want to be successful in life? Keep fit to stay strong. A loving diet. Having a good diet is as important as keeping fit. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. You should always eat to live a better life and not the other way around. If you aim to be successful, cultivate the habit of eating well. It does not necessarily mean expensive foods. Always ensure you are taking the food that will contribute energy to your body to stay strong. Energy, they say, is the ability to do work. Just so you know, having a good diet goes hand in hand with keeping fit. Make them your habit. Number 12. Quit social media. No, I don't mean you should entirely let go. Just ask yourself, what actually do you do on social media? Does it or do they contribute to the better life you are looking for? Or it drains your energy and negatively impacts your life? There are a lot of social media that positively can impact your life. YouTube, as an example, you could learn skills and new things to have a better life. I have a friend who knows how to create flower pots with just local materials. He learned this one from the internet. On YouTube. It has become his business. It's up to you to check how frequently you visit these platforms and what impact they have on your life. If you really want to see change in your life, make small steps in practicing these 12 habits. I believe that practice makes one perfect. Remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Please do comment below any other habits that you think can be added for a successful life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with others and subscribe. We appreciate you.